These are the 5 best AI tools that most pro creators are using, and there will be 5 more extra tools given at the end of this video, and those are my extra recommendations. So check it out. First, Adobe Podcast. What this tool is, it uses AI to remove noise from your voice recordings with speech enhancement. So it is a speech enhancer. It makes your audio sound like you recorded in a professional way. This is a game changer. If you record your voice with a phone,
the use of this free software, you can get your audio sounding like this
to this. And let's break it down in this video.
or record your voice in a bad environment.
There's a lot of echo in this room, fan running in the background, and the audio is being recorded into an old broken phone. How do you fix all of this?
Second one, Submagic.com. This tool is caption AI tool. Many pro creators have used it in the production of short videos. What makes this tool stand out is because it adds in a lot of animations with the text, making them a bit bigger, adding in relevant emojis to the text, and so it makes it more engaging. Once you upload the video, it is super easy to change the text, change different emojis, add in emojis, and then very quickly, a quality shot is created by just a click. Third, VidIQ. If you are a YouTube creator, VidIQ is definitely worth your money, because they have a lot of cool features that have been consistently updated, and more AI features are coming out. They are really helpful and can save you a lot of time, like AI title recommendation, description generator, trending sign, and my personal favorite is daily idea and customer idea. They are the AI generated ideas for you. So if you are a starter don't have ideas, you can use them in your next video. And the thing I mostly like is, when you are doing more and more, it is gonna learn and improve based on your consistent data, and it will get better and better. Number 4, Headline Studio. What this tool is, it is a title analyzer. Well, here's the analytics of the title, how to write perfect YouTube title to get 10x clicks. The score is pretty high, and your goal is to stay in green to ensure your title is good. There is also a specific breakdown of the title here. So the Headline Studio is a good indicator for you to know how good your title is. Last one, ThumbsUp or thumbnail checker. Both are thumbnail preview to see exactly what your thumbnail will look like on YouTube. So then you can adjust the contrast, face, or text based on the overview to fulfill aspect as well as increase the CTR of the thumbnail. Now, here are the 5 extra tools as my extra recommendation. Number 1, Capcut. So Capcut is beginner friendly and go provide you everything from captions to visual effects, transitions, audio effects, videos, no matter long form or short form. Number 2, Canva. Canva is also a beginner friendly tool to design, like your thumbnail, especially if you don't have any Photoshop skills yet, then Canva is a great choice. Number 3, Epidemic. Epidemic has a huge library of high quality music and sound effects, and you can use them in your YouTube videos without need to worry about the hidden copyright issues anymore, and still can safely monetize your videos. Number 4, Notion. Notion is a productivity tool, and it can benefit creators a lot.
This is a productivity tool you use. You're using Notion. How do you use it?
So Notion is literally my second brain when it comes to content. I have literally all my to-do lists. I have my my content world is what I call, which is my content calendar. I have my video scripts. I have my research as far as what content has been doing, like a database of what's working, what's not working. So it's really just a drag and drop for me. And for me, it'll allow me to be visual too. I can add pictures to it. I can add graphs to it. It's a mobile app. It's a computer. It's an iPad situation. It's everything. I just like simplicity. And so Notion is able to do that.
And last one is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube optimization tool, and the features I really like TubeBuddy are their Keyword Explorer and Thumbnail A/B Tester. If you want to know further about TubeBuddy features, you can check this video from TubeBuddy official channel and subscribe to the channel. All the tools in this video are definitely helpful to grow your channel and make your career as a content creator a lot easier. If you want to become better at video editing, then click on this video where I cover the editing scripts used by MrBeast editor, and see you in the next video.